Got all our stuff, Barrett.
Very nice.
So, the shop's already getting filled with projects. It's dirty, and it's not even finished yet. We've got to spray paint this, flashing this roof jack, this storm collar, and these two sections of chimney pipe. The part inside the cabin, the mid-century modern cabin, is all, he had black pipe for that, but he didn't have any black for this, and I wasn't going to wait on an order. This is black. Don't have to paint that. I think what I'm going to do about this cap is just paint the part you see. I don't think I'm going to paint because it'll be getting beat up with weather anyway on top. I think I'm just going to paint the part you see there. So, I have some rags, some gloves, some nitride gloves. This is for later caulking, high temperature caulk. And then I've got some cut-off blades for tomorrow when Paco comes to do the roof. And finally, what I need is the xylene. If you've never used xylene, it's better than mineral spirits at cleaning and kind of priming. I call it etching. This stuff will almost etch it before you paint it. It's really good stuff. But it's a lot stronger than mineral spirits, so you gotta wear gloves. You don't have to, but I guess if you're a He-Man, you don't have to wear them. But I'm getting soft in my old age, so I'm gonna wear gloves. These nitride gloves are really good. They nitrile. I always call them nitride for some reason, like it's a chemical. But these are extra large and they're still nice and snug. I'm glad I didn't get small. So we're just gonna dust it first. You can see here, I can stay out of the light. Just dusty. So we're gonna dust them off first. Get all this crap out of the way. It's amazing. You can build a brand new shop before it's even done. Look at that. That's why you want to dust it and etch it with xylene. One of the things I like about xylene is it dries really quickly. There's no, and I should have got a clean rag, but I was trying not to go through the whole bag of rags just on one thing, but it's only got one hand. I'm gonna dump it. See here, there's something, just comes right off. And then I'm gonna wipe this down again, even after I go over it, just to get all the residue off. Those chimney sections won't be as dirty being in the box. This thing was sitting in a warehouse out open. So it was dirty as all get out. You see the residue. I don't want to have to get back up on the roof. And I'll just cut my glove. No. And paint. I know what Barrett would be saying right now. What do you mean you get up there? Got a few dents, but they make this metal thin so that you can, down on the bottom, you can cut it on either side of your ribs and then push down and screw it down. That's why they make it so thin, such a thin gauge metal. All right, I think we're ready. I'm gonna go back over one more time. Shaky, shaky. This is flat. It just looks glossy. It'll dry flat. You gotta be careful on this super smooth metal. You can get too much on there and it'll start running on you. Gotta hold it back and hit it with light coats. I'll do this coat, then I'll come back, do another light coat over the top of it. No big old blobs of paint on there. Might get OSHA out after us. It's also hard to paint and video at the same time. All right, well, let me get this one done and I'll show you. But she's looking pretty good. Let's see if I can get in the light. You can see there it's already starting to dry. That dull, it'll be a dull, a flat black instead of shiny. I don't want it being able to see it from the space station. So yeah. As you know, the secret is to keep your can moving or keep your body moving. Oh, I see a spot right there. This is the second coat. Going around. Trying to get all the places I missed. Get it good. All that bottom ring will be covered up by the piece that laps over it. You can tell over here where you just have one coat. Snazzy. Right, second can of paint coming up. Now, if this was a customer's house, I would take these stickers off, but they're so hard to get off that in my house, I'm just gonna, the other thing is I could put this piece down inside the roof jack and it wouldn't show. That's probably what I'll do. I'll get Paco. I'll just have to remind him. I mention that because somebody's going to see that and say, you left the sticker on. Well, we leave the stickers on all the time. Nobody fusses. No, that's one reason why I get xylene, is because it gets that goo off that stickers leave. Takes it right off. Let me get this painted because it's not easy to get it even when you're trying to look through the camera. All right, this piece is about dry. You can see how flat it dries, which is what I wanted. I didn't want some shiny thing. Just dull black pipe. Got the storm color painted. It's still a little shiny because it's not dry, but you can see here. Right there. This hasn't completely dried yet. The cap has dried. I just went ahead and painted the top because why not? So we shall see. It'll be fun to get all this put up. That transition box goes right there. Down here, I'm gonna pour a concrete fireplace. It'll be open on both sides. And I've got to get the transition piece that I can pour in the top of the fireplace that will take that black pipe, the 6" and then there's a piece that goes on top of the fireplace, and there's the transition at the bottom of the fireplace, and there's the telescoping piece. I'm sorry, that's the black box. That's the black box. guy coming next week to spray foam insulation. That'd be awesome. Better hightailing out of here, boy. Huh. He's dragging one of his legs. That's weird. You better get out of here, boy. See that door over there? I don't know. I might have accidentally stepped on him earlier when I was plugging in the heater. He's dragging that leg now. That's weird. All I did was come over here and plug in the heater. Oh dang. I thought I saw my eagle. Pretty day.